Welcome to December deep cleaning, 12 days of December deep cleaning. So we have a very big Christmas party on the 20th. So for the first 12 days of December, I will be deep cleaning things one at a time. So today I'll be doing the oven. So what I do is I put a little bit of soap and water on a sponge, and then I put a tablespoon of baking soda directly onto the oven, and I'm going to be scrubbing all of the little bits of black charred bits off. I know that there's going to be somebody that's like, why don't you just use the self-clean option on your oven? And yes, that too, I will be putting it on self-clean after this, but I kind of like to get as much of the gunk off as I can so that the entire house doesn't smell, because the self-clean option, it heats your oven super, super, super high and you can't really leave your house. And so because the self-clean option is like hours and hours long, I don't want the house to smell. So I like clean as much of it as I can off. And right now too, I have this like baking soda paste essentially that I'm wiping everything down with. And then I like wipe it down like 10 times. I rinse the sponge out, wipe it down, rinse the sponge out, wipe it down. But there is going to be just a tiny bit of baking soda residue still left. So the self-clean option will actually take all of that paste off in the end. So this door is already looking so much better. I'm just showing you kind of a before of the oven. It's not that dirty, but I'm still going to be getting as much of that oil, grease, and charred bits off before I put the self-clean on. Again, I'm just putting 2 tablespoons at the bottom of the oven. You can see the piles there. And then you kind of just like make a paste with it with the soap and water. The soap will help get any grease off, like oil off. And then the baking soda helps with like the really hard charred bits. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Even without the self-clean, I probably don't really need to do the self-clean, but I'm going to do it anyways, just like I said, because there is still a little bit of that baking soda residue that you can kind of see. But yeah, look at that. I'm so excited. My house is going to be so clean by the end of this.